What if the most exciting thing happening in a museum wasn't a finished masterpiece, but watching one being restored? For decades, art conservation happened behind closed doors. Paintings disappeared into restoration labs and returned months later transformed, with little explanation of what had changed. Today, museums are opening those doors, inviting visitors to witness conservation in real time. In an era where audiences expect institutions to show their work, museums are embracing transparency. Instead of asking visitors to simply trust the restoration process, they're putting it on display, making conservation part of the exhibition itself. But public restoration isn't just about education. It's also captivating. Watching centuries of dirt disappear inch by inch transforms conservation into a live experience, one that keeps visitors coming back to see the artwork evolve. At the Rijksmuseum, visitors watch the restoration of Rembrandt's The Night Watch inside a custom-built glass chamber. The Musée d'Orsay is restoring a burial at Ornans in full public view, while the Royal Museum of Fine Arts Antwerp has transformed an entire gallery into Studio Rubens. As restoration becomes public, conservators are stepping into the spotlight. Once working quietly behind the scenes, they're now explaining discoveries, revealing hidden details, and reshaping how we understand some of history's greatest masterpieces. These projects have uncovered remarkable discoveries, from hidden sections of paintings to entirely new insights into artists' working methods. Conservation is no longer just preserving history, it's actively rewriting it. Public restoration reflects a new vision of the museum, not as a place that simply displays finished masterpieces, but as a living institution where research, preservation, and discovery unfold before our eyes. Sometimes, the most compelling work of art is the work happening behind the glass,